Welcome to Jenny's Kitchen. Please do well to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. We are about to make okro soup. Here we have fresh okro, some tender beef, stockfish, and smoked fish for that deep flavor. We also have our crayfish, palm oil, onions, and seasonings ready to go. First, we wash our fresh okro thoroughly, and then we prepare our meats and fish to ensure everything is perfectly clean and ready for the pot. First, we slice the fresh green okra, slicing them into thin, uniform rounds. Next, we finely chop the white onion and dice the vibrant red bell pepper. We begin by letting the assorted meats simmer until they are tender. Then we add the stockfish and smoked fish for that rich smoky flavor. The steam rises as the broth bubbles, blending everything perfectly. We begin by pouring in that rich golden palm oil. This gives our stew its traditional flavor and color. Next, we add a handful of ground crayfish, followed by fresh peppers for that. And finally, crumble in the seasoning cubes. Please do like and subscribe to my YouTube channel.